Uh-oh. There goes the yellow sun. But there's another colour. Grey clouds. Oh. Oh, and wet rain. I don't think wet is a colour. No, but it's still very wet. Quick, over there. Wait, bring the flowers. Okay. Hello, Big Nutbrown Hare.
Hello, little field mouse. You two seem to be having a lot of fun in the meadow.
We were enjoying our favourite spring things. The sunshine and the smells and the warm ground. And the colours. You've never seen so many colours. Come and see. Look. Oh, it's all a bit grey now. And it's too wet to roll around in. We can't enjoy our favourite spring things anymore. Why does it have to rain and spoil everything? Spring would be so much better without rain.
But rain makes the flowers and the grass grow, which brings the insects and the birds. All the things you like about spring. So you've got to have some rain.
But it's no fun when it's raining.
Are you sure? There is fun to be had when it rains, but sometimes it's hidden and hard to find.
Huh? How do you find fun?
I'm sure if you look hard enough, you'll find it.
Where?
Oh, fun could be anywhere.
Oh. I don't see any fun over here. And I don't think it's in here. Could the fun be hiding underneath the leaves?
Could be.
Then let's look. There's some sticks and acorns and leaves, but no fun. Maybe it's underground. Found anything? No, unless fun looks a lot like dirt. I don't think so. Where else can we look for fun? We've looked behind a tree, in a log, under the leaves, under the ground. Look! Our holes are filling with water. The rain has turned them into little ponds. And ponds need ducks.
I can help with that. Quank, 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 quank.
Oh, what a great idea! Thanks, Big Nutbrown Hare. And trees. Quack, quack, quack. Nice weather for ducks. Quack. You're right, little yellow duck. Quack. Oh, quack, quack, quack. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? We're looking for fun. We haven't found it yet, but we've made this pond with ducks and trees. If it's got trees, they need a squirrel. I'll make one. And squirrels need nuts. I'll make some too. Ooh, it's really raining out there. Hello, little redwood fox. Hello, little nutbrown hare. What are you doing? Looking for fun. But we haven't found it yet. I'll help you. But first, I better dry myself. Little redwood fox, you're wetting us. Now we'll have to dry ourselves. Hey! You know, I think we're finally dry. But let's do it once more, just to make sure we really are. Oh dear! Look! The pond's overflowing and the ducks are getting away. Uh-oh. Just in time. That gives me an idea. Why don't we have a duck race on the pond? Yeah! But I don't have a duck. Neither do I. That's all right. I'll show you how to make one. And I'll turn the pond into a river. That's just right for racing. First, you get a lily. Then you peel back a petal and it turns into a duck. Wow! Hey, it does too. This is going to be the fastest river ever. The ducks are ready. The river is 2. Ready, set, go! Go, little yellow duck! Faster! Come on! This will speed them up. Mine's going so fast! Come on! Here's the finish line. Come on! Come on! Yay! And the winner is... Come on! That duck! Yay! Whose duck is it? I don't know, but it was such fun. Let's do it again. Yay! Oh!
Oh, here comes a summer shower to cool us all down. Oh, I hope those leaf shades keep the rain off.
Oh, let's go! I'm dry. Well, almost. I got a bit wet. Ooh, that's because there's a hole in your leaf. Not a drop of rain on me, thanks to my impressive and marvellous leaf shade. Can I have it now, please? What do you mean? My leaf. Can I have it back now? But you gave it to me, didn't you? Yes, you did give it to him. I know, but I've changed my mind. Now I want it back. Oh, okay, I guess. And you can have this one. It stopped raining, so let's play! Race you to the river!